Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by verifying your Windows 11 build and creating a quick system restore point so you can undo changes if needed. Once done, download the Dock or Taskbar mod app installer. Taskbar X or Explorer Patcher are common choices, and place it in an easy folder. Make sure to close non-essential apps, and if the installer requires, enable developer mode in settings. This reduces permission friction and prepares your system for the first actionable step: running the installer with admin rights. Run the installer as administrator and accept prompts. This ensures system-level integration. After installation, open the app and configure alignment, icon spacing, transparency, and animation settings. These control how closely the bar mimics Apple's dock. You should also set which apps are pinned and whether to auto-hide. Once you dial in visuals and behavior, export or save the config so you can restore it later. Make sure to test reboot behavior and tweak startup options to load the custom bar on login. Reboot to confirm the Apple-style taskbar loads and icons appear as expected. A restart resolves many integration issues. If icons misalign or animations stutter, open the app, reset layout settings, or reinstall the extension plugin. This fixes corrupted configs. Make sure Windows updates aren't reverting changes. Pause updates briefly while testing. If a problem remains severe, use the system restore point you created to revert quickly. This single troubleshooting tip, restore first, saves time versus.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.